get it. When a new virus pops up and starts spreading from country to country, it's frightening, especially when you see videos like this. People on planes wearing masks and full body protection taking the temperature of passengers, or a person being carried into a hospital on a sealed-off stretcher. These videos were shared on Twitter and Imgur and both have millions of views. And with the videos, some alarming claims. Quote, "This is not a scene from some apocalyptic horror movie. This is a coronavirus outbreak in China." Or quote, "There's evidence of major cover-up and lying by Chinese on the amount of infected." So what are the facts? Let's verify. Our sources, the World Health Organization, multiple Chinese government health agencies, and the CDC. We tracked the plane video to its source, a post on Chinese social networking site Weibo. It is a real video taken on a plane from the Wuhan region of China to the Macau region of China, and they're using an infrared thermometer to check for passengers who have a fever. The video of a sealed-off stretcher comes from Radio Free Asia. That's a U.S. government-funded nonprofit that covers the region. It's also real footage of what's going on right now. But here's the thing. These videos look frightening because of their context. They're being compared to apocalyptic horror movies when the reality is that they show the system working. Health officials are checking passengers coming from areas with the virus so they can make passengers at risk wear masks and slow its spread. Emergency staff are required to wear full protective clothing by the government because they don't know yet just how infectious it is and they don't want to take risks. Put simply, the Chinese government is taking these precautions for a reason. These documents show a bit of what we mean. The Chinese government labeled this coronavirus a grade A infectious disease. When the government gives that rating, health officials have to use full body protection and sealed off stretchers to limit its spread. As for claims that China is covering things up, there's no evidence for that right now. The WHO and CDC have both said they are getting constant updates from the Chinese officials in affected areas and that the Chinese health officials have shared their research and findings on the virus. Bottom line, a viral outbreak like this should be taken seriously, and government officials in China and across the world are doing just that. Posts like these are taking videos of preventative actions and using them to mislead and prey on your fears. If you see more videos or claims like this out there, send us an email. With your Verify, I'm Jason Puckett.